Richard, top lesson learned as you're going on this journey with these agencies in the private sector, et cetera. Number one lesson learned.
I think the biggest lesson we've seen is that modernization alone doesn't automatically improve operations, right? How many times have we seen people buy technology to solve a problem, and the technology doesn't solve the problem because you need to operationalize and modernize the rest of the business in line with that. So what we're actually working a lot with our customers on is what we call a DexOps framework. And DexOps is really a set of best practices and a philosophy around how you really run an end user computing part of your business with an employee first mindset. And it's a set of guidelines, it's a set of best practices around people, around the processes, around the technology, but also around how you communicate that and how you track and realize value from your investment. And by putting that into place and guiding people on with this framework, what we've seen is a transition of organizations from that reactive model we talked about previously in firefighting to a more proactive, preventative model where they're actually able to spend their time working on bigger mission critical activities versus them firefighting all the issues that happen. And that journey, the final thing I'll say on that journey that we're seeing is a modernization of the workforce as well, a reskilling of the workforce. AI has been talked about today, but there's a big concept in the industry around AI supervision. As you start to bring in these different technologies, the roles are changing. An L1 support technician that takes those calls and is helping people when they've got a technology issue, if those calls aren't coming in because you're being more proactive and preventative, then they can be reskilled to do different roles. And we're seeing this change in organizations of people's skills to adapt to this more modern, automated world that delivers much better employee results and ultimately mission outcomes.
Pushing